Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my home office. So today I'm going to be adding some storage to my office desk here. Previously I did a video on how I created this marble-like look on top. It's actually an epoxy resin, and I do have a video on that and I'll link it below. This is so how you can see how it looked when I first started. It was just a slab of wood and I created this cool look on top. But nevertheless, what I'm doing today is adding some storage. As you can see, all I have are some like legs that I attached from IKEA. But the problem with this is that I have no storage. I have nowhere to store my pens and files and different things like that. So, of course, there's always good old IKEA. But right now, as you can see, the Alex drawers at IKEA are selling for $89. And you know me, I'm going to try to find the best deal possible. So I went to my local thrift shop and I found this file cabinet here, which was in really good shape. It is complete solid wood. And I paid $9.99. Yes, $9.99. So I am going to take this and transform it. All right, so the first thing that I'm doing, I'm just taking the top of it off because it was a little bit too tall to slide underneath the desk like I needed it to. So I'm just removing the top. And once I took this top off, it fit perfectly. And then the next step is just to remove the hardware. I will be reusing this hardware. But first we're just gonna take it off and prepare it for paint. So I'm just using this simple chalk paint that I found at Hobby Lobby. This is from Home Decor, and this was, I believe, $1.99. And I actually purchased 3 of them. I know the bottle looks pretty small, but I did get 3 of them. They didn't have any of the bigger bottles available. But the good thing about chalk paint, you really don't have to prep your project much. You just kind of wipe it off and make sure it's free from debris, and then you can start painting right away. So I just got my paint in a bowl there, and then I'm just going to paint. Now, what you see me doing here, I'm just starting with a little small brush first. I like to use a small brush because it kind of gets into, it really gets into the grains of the wood. And then what I did to smooth it out, which I didn't show in the video, but I went back over it with a roller. Once this first coat dried, and I went over it with a second coat. And the roller just helps to smooth out the lines and make a more even look over the entire project. But first do a brush and then do a roller. All right, so here's how we're looking once the painting is done. And like I said, I did do 2 coats on this, and it looks really good. So now I'm going to use this metallic spray paint to paint those handles and all of the hardware that goes on top. And then I let that dry for about an hour, and voila, there you go. So I think it looks really cute. It fits the style of my office. And now for the finished look, I just slid it right underneath my desk. I did remove the 2 side legs, and then I kept the other side legs there. So I just removed one side, and that is how it looks. Now what I will be doing, which I didn't show on here, I'm going to be attaching it with just some L brackets. I'm just going to the same L brackets I use in a lot of my videos, so I'll be able to attach it to the side of the cabinet and then also to the bottom of the desk. So I think it turned out really good. This is a great alternative to purchasing expensive drawers. I mean, old file cabinets work just as fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this gives you some ideas of what you may be able to do, and hope it helps you to save a little bit of money. So thank you guys for watching. I do have an office tour coming up. I'm actually going to be redoing my entire office, and I will be showing that coming up here soon, but this is part of that project. So I hope to see you guys on the next few videos. And if you like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more home decor and DIY projects. See ya.